Today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in HOTWAV Part 8. So, if you want to fix your invisible WhatsApp notifications, at the start always check your Do Not Disturb mode icon. So open the top menu and look for the Do Not Disturb mode. Now make sure that you have this feature deactivated in the off position. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes you can miss it by the misclick, so just check it. After that, hold the finger on the WhatsApp and choose App Info. Go to the notifications. Of course you have to turn it on if you don't have it activated. And after that, go to the additional settings in the app. Now make sure that you have activated high priority notifications, and here. Check all of the switchers, of course turn it on. Then go back, choose the mobile data and Wi-Fi, enable the background data and unrestricted data usage. If you still don't have your alerts, try to clear cache and storage of your app, so go to the storage and cache, choose the clear cache, check your updates, your alerts, and if you still don't have it, remember to make the backup of your WhatsApp and tap on the clear storage. Tap on OK. After that you have to log in again to the WhatsApp account and check your alerts. If you still don't have it, try to reset your network settings. So go to the settings, swipe down to the system and choose the reset options. Tap on the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, tap on the reset settings button, configure a pattern, and tap on this button again. In the last step, try to update your system, so open the system section like before and choose the system update. Now tap on the blue button, and if you have any updates, just install it and check your WhatsApp again. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.